Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing batteries. This prevents shorting. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 5 Torx T8 security screws. The extra one hides under the warranty sticker on older models. Make sure to keep screws in a small tray and note their locations. Next, gently separate the halves at the seam with a plastic pry tool. Slow, even pressure prevents broken clips. You're creating access to the analog modules, so you can replace the thumb grips securely. With the shell open, identify the analog stick modules, and once done, unplug any nearby ribbon or battery leads that obstruct access. Use a small flat tool to lift the stick modules straight up. Avoid rocking to prevent PCB damage. Pull the worn rubber cap off the stick shaft. If it's stuck, warm it briefly with a hair dryer to soften. Clean the shaft with 90% plus isopropyl, then push the new grip on until it seats flush. Make sure it spins freely and centers correctly. To finish, place the analog modules back in their original positions and reconnect any cables you detached. Once done, align the shell halves and press them together until clips engage. Replace the 5 Torx screws, tightening evenly but not over-tightening. Power the controller and run a quick calibration. Move sticks through full range and check dead zone or drift in the console settings. If you notice stiffness or drift, reopen, inspect for debris or misaligned grip, and reseat the grab. That usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.